Welcome back to Rishi Quant Research. This will be the first video in our new series of price volume analysis. In this video, in this series, we will be testing different hypotheses related to price and volume. We will be analyzing different strategies. We will be doing some analytical and statistical study related to price and volume. Okay, so I'll share my screen. We'll quickly go to our screen. I think you can see that. Yes, we'll share. I've shared my screen, and let me tell you what this first video is about. In this video, we will be quantifying high and low volumes. Okay, we say if the breakout is accompanied by high volume, it is a valid breakout. If the breakout is accompanied by low volume, it is a fake breakout. It is likely to be a fake breakout. There is a possibility of fake breakout. And same goes for breakdowns. So first we will be quantifying what will be the high volumes and low volumes. There are different method. First method, you can just put in moving averages in the volume. Let me show you. Here you have the moving average. I'll just move this into new pane. Okay, here you can see this is the moving average. But what if we take the last 10 years of data and get the average of this volume and put a line at that average threshold like this? If it is say 3 million 30 lakhs, now this will be your volume above average. This will be your volume above average. This will be your volume above average. It is way different than your moving average, and it is more robust. As you can see, these are more robust, lesser opportunities but high probability setups. Okay, so also if we take the last almost what say 3 years of data, okay, and we calculate top 10% volumes and we plot that threshold here, and then if the current volume is above that threshold, we will have high probability setup. Okay, that we will be doing. Now that high volume, low volume or mean volume will change with your script and with your time frame. For 5 minutes the volume will be, mean volume threshold will be different, low volume threshold will be different, and high volume threshold will be different. Okay, same for Reliance, maybe the volume is very high, as at the same time for Tata Consumer, high volume of Tata Consumer may be lesser, way less than high volume threshold of Reliance. So I will be analyzing for all Nifty 50 stocks. Okay, we will be calculating high volume threshold, low volume threshold, mean volume threshold, 50th percentile, using nth percentile. We will be doing all this using nth percentile, and we will be calculating high volume threshold, low volume threshold, mean volume threshold for all Nifty 50 stocks, and I will be sharing that .csv file with you in the description. You can download that file for free. Okay, so what is the use of that in algo trading? Okay, in investment decisions. Okay, in investment decisions. Okay, in detecting resistance and support zones, to automate your system, and for retail traders in investment decisions, in detecting resistance support zone, to detect manually valid breakdown and breakout, as I said that, explained that earlier, and to avoid fake breakout and breakdown. So what will be the result? Result will have script, time frame, nth percentile. Fifth percentile will be low volume threshold, 95th percentile will be high volume threshold, and mean volume will be 50, and it is nth percentile volume. So let me just quickly run this code with you. Okay, this is Reliance 15-minute time frame, and we will be using 1000 calendar days. Okay, from today is 6th May 2026. So 1000 calendar days we will be using. So I'll run this code and let's see what the results are. So as you can see, just I'll also print the range. Okay, so that it will be, as you can see, it is from 10th August 2023 to 6th May 2026. All in all, 16,815 15-minute candles are analyzed. All in all, almost 17,000 15-minute candles are analyzed, and then we have got this result. Okay, so I'll run this again and let's get it. Yes, so see, this is the result. I'll zoom in little bit. Now I'll explain this result to you. It is 19th percentile result, and this is the volume of 19th percentile. This is a threshold. What does it mean? It means if the volume is greater than 10,19,907 for Reliance on 15-minute candle, okay, then that volume is in top 10% of volume considering last 1000 days. Okay, again I'll explain to you. If the volume is greater than 10,19,907 for Reliance on 15-minute time frame considering last 1000 days, then that volume is in top 10% of volume. Now let's plot this volume. How would you use it? 10,997. Okay, we will be plotting 10 lakh 19,907. 10,19,907. It is 15-minute Reliance. Okay, so as you can see, this is it. This is, now you can see here the trend is decreasing. Okay, and you can see here in this patch, this is the volume above our threshold. I'll just plot this threshold with say red. This is the volume above our threshold. This is volume above our threshold. This is volume above our threshold. This is volume above our threshold, and all these are volumes above our threshold. Okay, again here these are the volumes above our threshold. See, and here again volume above our threshold. Okay, and see, these are the volumes above our threshold. So this is how you can use this in your algo trading or detecting the high probability setup. See here, here also. See here, this seems like, just let me just share with you, I'll show you what I mean by that. This is kind of resistance zone. Okay, here it seems like a valid breakout, but see, the volume is not above 10%. Volume is not in top 10%. So just above this zone, it created a consolidation. Now here you can see, with this candle, price comes back with this zone, in this zone, and see the volume is greater than that 19th percentile. That means volume is comparatively high. See, this becomes valid reversal. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, now what this is a downtrend, and with this high volume, this is the last candle of trend with the, this is called last exhaustion candle. When the candle is found at the bottom, okay, at the end of the trend with comparatively high volume, then it is called the exhaustion candle. Okay, and with this, just next to this, with high volume, again it is, this volume is in top 10% volume. This creates a valid reversal, and this will be a stop loss. Okay, again you can see here, see, this is your high volume candle. Just plot this and see the price breaks down. Here also, just plot this range and see the price. Here again, plot this range here at this level. Again, for this also you can plot this range and see. Okay, here, see here, it is an exhaustion. See, it is a fake it is a bearish reversal candle. Okay, it is a fake breakout. Anyway, close was, price did not close for this candle above the high of this candle. Okay, you see, I'll again show you. Just plot the range and you will have a kind of, see here also, here these are the volumes above, well, these are the volumes in top 10%, this and this also. Okay, so just plot the range of that. Okay, and trade in whichever direction that range is broken. Okay, see here, you can see that here also, here also. Let's see if we can do the same for here. See, if we take this and plot the range, see, if you take this, plot the range and see the breakout. Same goes for here. Now this, from here to here, creates, these are consecutively, these volumes, 5 volumes are consecutively in top 5%. So we can take the combination of this from this. So this will be your zone. Okay, so that's how you can use that. Now this volume will be different for, what is this volume will be different and change with script and time frame. This is for Reliance. This threshold will be different for Tata Consumer. This will be different for Nifty 50. This will be different for what? Trent. This will be different for Hindalco. Okay. So I will be sharing with you this CSV file. Okay. This is the CSV file I will be sharing with you. I have already calculated these threshold and percentile volume threshold in this CSV file, and you can just open this, filter this, and you can, as per your trading preferences of time frame and intervals and script, you can get this threshold, and you can detect, you can use those threshold as a reference point to detect valid or fake breakouts and breakdowns. Okay, so that's it for today, and in couple of days I will be coming up with again more deeper kind of analysis and problem statement. This is for now. I will see you in couple of days. Okay, so that's it for now. Good night.